Wagwan massive. Welcome back to another episode of Jessie Loves Whitney. Today we are going to be doing the Who is Most Likely to Challenge. And we have approximately 15 questions, guys. So just sit back.
Because some people don't know.
Okay.
So the way it goes is we're going to ask some questions, and she has, paper that says either him or me.
Well, I got the wrong paper.
Me too.
It's just here.
So we have to decide who would more likely do something. So we're going to ask questions like, who's more likely to do it?
Either me or him. So just sit back, relax, and watch.
Smash that subscribe button.
Yes. Like, share, subscribe. Alright, so the first question is, who is more likely to walk around the house naked?
Oh, that's easy.
I'm gonna say him.
Me. I'm definitely is.
He walk around the house every day, all day, naked.
Hey, I gotta breathe.
I do too sometimes, but not as much as he does.
I got to breathe. You know what I'm saying? What's the next one?
The next one is
Cuss someone out.
who's most likely to cuss someone out. That's me, guys. I don't know what it is. It's look.
Man.
If somebody else says something I like, me gonna answer them or me gonna say something to them. You understand?
Jamaican women are rude. I'm telling you, they have
rude.
Short tempers, and especially in Jamaica when you go to a restaurant, you order some food. Oh man, you better already know what you want.
Whatever. Okay, I'm not rude. I just speak my mind, or I tell it as it is. Pretty much. So, all right, babe, you can read the next question.
All right. To get in a fight.
Who's more likely to get in a fight?
Yeah, who's more likely to get in a fight?
I'm gonna say him.
Her.
Him.
I'm nice.
How many fights you seen me get into?
How many fights I almost see you get into? If people knew what she was saying, if they speak possible, she would have been in a lot of fights.
No, I wouldn't. Okay, well, that don't count. Almost doesn't count, people.
Man, if they knew what you was saying.
You got into a lot of fights. I can count on one hand how many fights I got into. How many fights you got into?
I get in a lot of fights when I was younger.
Exactly. So
when I was younger.
That's a him, guys. Him. That one there. Him. Him love fights and beat up people.
I mean, I like fighting, bro. I haven't been like a legit fighting, man. Alright.
The next one is, who is more likely to get arrested?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Even though him are the law people, me I go say him. You know why? Because him is a little silent devil. You don't even see him coming. He sneak up on your ass, okay? Pretty much. He act quiet, but he not quiet. He got a temper too on him. So don't let him sit here and talk about my temper, cause you. Why would I get arrested? Exactly. You don't have a reason.
You're doing too much.
You do too much. Whatever. The next one is, who is more likely to speak in front of a crowd?
Oh yeah, that's easy. Boom.
I'm gonna say him. I'm
definitely. I'm not shy.
I'm shy.
I'm not shy though.
Well, everybody know that already.
I'm cool.
I am shy. I don't like to speak in a public setting. I'm a person who like to stay by myself. Even if we go somewhere, especially if I don't know anybody like that, I'm just gonna be in a corner just sitting there on my phone or doing something else because I'm shy.
I mean, I wrestle, so I'm used to talking on, getting on the mic and talking in front of large crowds, so I'm good.
Yeah. So we balance each other, guys. I'm shy, he's not. If anything, in cocky mode, I'm shy. He's very cocky. And
what does that mean?
It's not a bad thing.
I know Jamaican cocky is different from ours.
Not that cocky there. Not that some here. Cocky as in your behavior.
Oh, okay.
Right, okay. I would never husband. Anyways, you can read the next one.
Alrighty, who is more likely to get a speeding ticket. Her.
I will say that's me, guys. I speed everywhere.
Man.
I speed everywhere. I have a need for speed. I really feel like they should put me in Fast and the Furious.
They should put you in jail.
Well, you ain't gonna lock me up.
That's why she would go to jail. Speeding.
You ain't put me in jail.
She knows 2 speeds. That's stop and 100. That's it.
I will say that. I tend to speed a lot. But look, when you're driving a sports car, you have to speed. You can't go slow in a sports car, people. Allow me to tell. Comment down below and make me know. Talk the truth now. I want to swim.
Alright, you go ahead.
The next one is, who is more likely to take a body shot?
Her.
Me?
Yeah, because I don't really drink like that.
I mean, but that don't make... See, the thing is, you don't drink like that, but you do stuff like that. You will do stuff like
I would. I
wouldn't do stuff like that. So I'm going to say him. He drinks on occasion, people, socially.
I drink only fine wine, the finest. That's his all.
You irritate. Alright, you can read the next one.
Alright. Who is most likely to go skydiving? Oh, that's easy. Boom. Me. Definitely me. I want to go skydiving. I think that's something we should both do. That'd be dope.
I'll think so. Guys, I'm afraid of heights. I don't do roller coasters. I don't do that skydiving, jumping out of no plane. My life not scratch me. Why would I want to do that? No, I'm perfectly fine on land.
We went to an amusement park, and all she wants to do is swim.
Yes, I love water. I'm from the islands. What do you expect?
I'm like, what?
I don't like that roller coaster stuff, guys. Like, I don't do that all up in the air stuff. No, that makes me want to vomit. It makes me sick, nauseous. All right. So the next one is, who is more likely to run a mile?
Bro.
That's gonna be him, guys.
Yeah, I wrestled in high school. We ran miles. We ran miles all the time, so I'm used to it. So.
And he works out more than I do, so he's definitely more, fit. My strong body people.
Oh yeah.
So, even without winning that one.
Our next one is, who is more likely to not obey rules? Miss, rules are made to be broken.
Him. No, you're not put that one there for me. You know, listen, you don't pay attention to rules.
How?
Which rule you ever follow? See, you can't name none. You can't name none. You don't follow rules.
I follow the speed limit.
Boy, bye.
I go about 10 over.
First of all, no, you don't. You speed just as much as I speed. The only difference is you're a police officer, so you can get away with it. That's
not how that works.
Whatever. He speed people. I'm not the only speeder, so don't go there. So
I mean, I have to speed because of my job. So.
Him.
No, I just see.
Whatever.
Her.
Whatever. The next one is, who is more likely to get attacked by animals?
I'm gonna say me. I'm gonna say me because I like animals. She don't.
I know. I stay away from them. I keep my distance. I don't like no animals, okay? I'm scared of dogs. I'm allergic to cats. I can't do it. Like, stay over there. Don't even. If you got a dog, just know I'm never coming to your house. Everybody know that.
We had just got a call, right, about a loose dog running around the neighborhood, and it was aggressive. And I went out there and I see the dog, and it was so angry. I'm out there standing out there like, shh, come here. Can't even whistle. Come here. That dog started chasing me, man.
I would not be doing that.
I stood my ground, though. I stood my ground.
That's why I stay away from them people. I'm trying to be safe. I'm trying to stay alive, okay? Yeah. So you can do that. I'm not doing that. The next one is, who is more likely to speak their mind? That's definitely gonna be me.
Yeah, I'm gonna say her too.
Me.
I'm more like when I'm more hold things in, and I just drop things and leave it alone. But she's she wants you to know how she feels.
Yes, I gotta talk about it.
I'm hungry, but I don't know what I want to eat. I'm like, dude.
Well, that's not really speaking my mind, but if like we have like a disagreement, I feel like we should talk about it. I don't feel like we should, just hold it in and let it bottle up and add on and pile on. No, talk about it now so we can get this over with. Okay.
That's sometimes. Sometimes she'll wait like an hour or a couple days. You ask her what's wrong. She's
I
like,
still
nothing.
speak my mind though.
And then eventually gonna come out. So, you remember? Yeah.
You
That's how she be.
Whatever, man.
Right. So, who's more likely to get sued? Her.
I will agree on that one. Me. Maybe.
Alright. Next one. Who is most likely to cause us bankruptcy?
I'm gonna say
Actually, you know what?
it's both
This
of us.
is a hard one, yeah.
This is both of us. I can't even say him or me. I think it's both of us because we both got like really expensive taste.
You didn't put your finger up.
What?
You didn't say who.
Oh, me and him.
Yeah, I think
So
so,
both
too. I
of
think
us.
both of us because we both
Like,
got expensive taste.
We do.
Like,
We spend a lot of money.
yeah. But we try to make that money though.
Well, we make the money,
That's
so
how we
it
do.
ain't
We
nothing
try to-
wrong with spending it.
you
It's
know,
our money.
Money is made to be spent.
Exactly.
You get it to get rid of it.
You go.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, honey. All right.
Alright.
So the last one, drum roll. Is that how you do a drum roll?
No.
How do you do it? Do it.
We stomp. We'll have to piss our neighbors off.
No. Drum roll.
Who is most likely to get lost?
That one there.
How?
Him.
I say you.
Boy, bye.
I'm almost like
You forget everything.
Okay.
I could just tell you this right now, and you walk from right here to right where the couch is at, and you forget.
Tell me what.
Tell you anything. I can say, babe, go over there and grab that. And by the time you step off, you say, what'd you say again? You don't pay attention to nothing. You don't remember nothing. How many times you done lost your car in the parking lot or somewhere?
That don't count.
It does count.
Everybody
You
loses
most
their
like
car.
all the time. All the time. No.
That's why you have a horn.
No. No. So that is definitely him.
If you lost your car in the parking lot before, comment below and let us know.
Boy, bye. You know dang well you the one who's gonna get lost.
I think you get
Cause no, I don't. You know why? I'm gonna say I don't get lost because I adapt to my environment really fast. Like pay attention. Like when I was in Chicago, I learned the streets so fast. Like it didn't even take me that long. When I came here, when I moved here, finally with you, it didn't take me that long to start figuring out like where we going and where all these places at. Did it? It didn't take me that long. I don't think I would get
But
lost.
sometimes we'll be driving and she'll forget where we're going.
I zone out. That's different. Zoning out is not getting lost. That's not the same. So don't do me.
Hey,
okay.
What y'all think? Getting lost, is that like if I lose the car in the parking lot, is that getting lost? Or driving and forgetting where you at, is that getting lost?
No,
Like forget where you're
I
going.
zone out.
I forget where
That's
you're going.
not getting
Which
lost.
one? Which
That's
one?
not getting lost.
Comment below. Let us know.
You would get lost. Full stop. That's
Alrighty.
it. Like ain't no argument about that.
Alright guys, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like, smash that subscribe button, and comment below on what you think, on what we asked. So, I forgot the question was, but comment below.
Yep.
So, right now we are at 130 subscribers, and we're trying to get to 150 by the end of the week, so make sure you guys subscribe, alright?
Tell your mama, your uncle, your daddy,
Your cousins,
your
cousins,
your neighbor,
your great auntie,
your teacher,
your great uncle.
somebody.
Tell your mama.
Amen.
Tell your grandpa.
Hallelujah.
Tell your granddaddy. Happy Sunday, everybody. Stay tuned for more.